Hey guys, this tutorial will talk about the 4 types of opt-in forms you can use to display to your users for collecting emails for your WordPress email marketing. Click on Forms of your Wemail dashboard. Now click on Add New and select New Opt-in Form. The opt-in form has 4 styles of form. The first is Inline. This is a regular looking form on your web page. Our inline form is also available in different ready-made templates. The second is Floating Bar. This form is attached to the top or bottom of the page. The form will stay in the same position as the user scrolls up or down. The Slide Up form appears on the side of the page. This form is for those who are looking for forms that take up less space. And finally, the Modal form will be displayed in the form of a pop-up in the center of your screen after you click on the subscribe button. But you can also trigger the form to pop up without the use of a subscribe button. Now select a form. You can also choose a ready-made template if you need to. Now set the name and add this form to a list and hit save. You now have the option to further customize this very form. For example, you can drag and drop additional fields onto your form. Under the Template Style section, you can change the style of the form, which we have shown previously. You can change the background of the form by editing the color, gradient, and image. You can make further changes by editing the border radius, padding, field label position, or adding custom CSS in the empty box. If you choose the floating bar, then the customization will be the same as before. However, there are 3 additional options to change the form position, form alignment, and the close button to close the form on your site. If you choose Slide Up, then the customization setting will be the same as before. In the Modal form, the customization option will be the same as described before, but it will include model size, which is for changing the size of the model. Another option is the Modal trigger button, which lets you customize the subscribe button by changing the text, color, border, and so on. Next, in the Settings option, you can customize the settings for 4 types of forms. For the inline form, you can show a message and customize your message or redirect it to a custom URL. Under Form Action, you can set this form for a particular email list or add a tag to your form. Under Retargeting, you can choose to decide whether or not to show the form after a form is submitted based on the period of the time displayed. For Floating Form, you get to do the same thing, but there are 3 differences. Under Display Opt-in, you get to set which page will display the form. You can set when the form will be displayed. Set the percentage of scroll position for the form display if needed. Wemail forms let you decide when you want to display the form or schedule it for later. Set the type of users who will be able to see the form. Animate the display of the form if needed. Retargeting also lets you decide what will happen to the form once it is closed, shown, or submitted. The settings for Slide Up and Modal form is the same as described before, but enabling the Open Modal option under Modal form will place a subscribe button which bring out the form. Lastly, when you are happy with your options, click on Save to save your form. To insert any of these forms, go to the page of your site, click on the plus sign, and click on the WeMail logo. Now click on the form name you created from the drop-down list. This is the final look of the form. And that is how you can use and display forms to collect emails from your users. For more videos on email marketing using WordPress, subscribe to our channel or visit getwemail.io for more information.